Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the BMW Z4M Motorsport and this is by Hotwheels from the Forza set. So this is a 2023 set. So I bought it for 249 back then, which was the MRP. So let's unbox this. Okay. So here is the card art. The card art looks really beautiful. I'm really happy for this particular set. They actually put the entire car inside the card art instead of cutting the rear out. That is good. Okay, so here is the casting itself. So out of the box, the casting looks really good, and you can see this, shark fin antenna here, and the wiper fluid, ejector here. The hood details are really nice, and okay, it doesn't have any headlight details here. Damn, that is sad, and doesn't have any taillight details either. Oh my god, I was hoping for more on this casting, but it is giving me less. Okay, you can see the Forza logo here. Okay, the paint job itself, it looks really nice. It is a mild glittery blue. That looks really good. Okay, so the body is fully metal, including the spoiler that is molded with this body. And the chassis is fully plastic. The chassis has a little bit of detailing to it, but I'm not seeing any exhaust. Where is the exhaust here? Okay, I think this is supposed to be exhaust if I'm not wrong. Okay, so it has this BMW logo here, Xbox logo, Forza logo, and it has this door handle detail also here. So these are really well detailed. It has interior details as well, which is good. I mean, again, a solid block of circle for steering wheel, and the BMW logo is here, and it is entirely messed up. Okay, let's weigh this casting now. 35 grams, not bad. Okay, let's roll this car. Okay, produces a lot of noise, and both wheel wobbles a lot, but it does roll. Maybe not that well, but it does roll. It rolls good, maybe not that well. Okay, let's rate this casting now. So honestly guys, this is semi-premium. It is supposed to have both headlight and taillight details, but they didn't give that one. Again, I really don't care about the liveries. I mean, if they are giving the livery, then it is supposed to be on top of the basic detailing. So I'm honestly disappointed with this casting on this particular thing. So it doesn't even roll really that well. So I'm taking 1 out of 10 for this. So 9 out of 10 for this particular casting. So that's it for today guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.